Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Offense. I would like to take this moment and welcome you all to Trendlines Trader. This is a YouTube channel where we do our daily analysis and we do live stream on daily basis. Weekdays here, that's when we do our live streams. So, ladies and gentlemen, at the moment we are looking at gold. I want us to see where is gold. I want us to start by checking where gold is going, but usually we trade NASDAQ, we do US30 and yeah, gold. So ladies and gentlemen, today is the 3rd of May 2022. I hope you guys are doing so well today. It's a little bit cold where I am. I am in SA and the weather is cold, bruh. Anyway, this is not the weather update channel. Let's go and see where gold is going. Let's go to the bigger time frame, daily time frame, reset and see where is our gold. Just yesterday when we were trading NASDAQ, I felt like I caught flu. Ladies and gentlemen, we can see that our price is giving us or presenting a support to us, and the price broke our lower time frame demand area. Let me remove it for now because the price broke that support area, but we can still say around this level the price gave us the support or presented the support to us. As you can see, this area was highly respected. One thing that I would like you to be aware of, one thing that I would like you guys to be aware of again is this double top formation, pattern formation that is presented to us, and the price seems like at the moment is pushing towards the downside. Let me use double lines here. I've got the new mouse. Yesterday I had a struggle with the mouse pad, man. You know, when you are used to something, you're just going with. I've been using the mouse since mouse pad. It's not my thing. I don't use mouse pad more often. I prefer to use mouse. Let me place the support zone so that we remember all the time that gold is on the bullish trend and it's pushing towards our support currently. I hope that makes sense to you guys. It does make sense, right? So we can see that our price has broke out of this area or level. As you can see, there's this level. Every time when you trade, please do when you place your level and when you place your resistance and support, try by all means to refer from what was happening previously. Like, try to push to your back, try to push towards the back side, so that your left side, so that you can be able to tell what is happening with the price. I'm catching flu, buddy, but I'm taking medication at the moment. It's nothing big, nothing to stress about. So I hope you guys do follow us on our socials. We do have we do have a Instagram page. Please do follow us, do not hesitate. And we do have a Facebook page also. Please do follow us on the Facebook page, Trendlines Trader. And on Instagram, it's Trendlines_Trader. Please, guys, do follow us. Do follow us and have a good. Let's build a good communication. Good community in those social handlers so that we can. Social media. Let's use those social handlers so that we can communicate. And our email is trendlinestrader@gmail.com. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to like and subscribe on our channel. Don't forget the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. You can see that our price has been bearish for quite some time. There's a pullback actually. Let me not say it was bearish, but it was. This is a pullback. This trend, you can say it's a pullback towards the support there. It's daily time frame, right? So we just have to wait and see if our price is about to respect the setups. Let's just wait and see if our price respects the setups there. Let me reset the chart. Yeah, there we go. This level, this is the level. Okay, let me do this so that we can never forget that we have that kind of level. This is our gold. One thing that we can do, we just have to wait for our price to reach this diagonal support zone. Let's not make any chances or taking any chances and think if we take trades or place trades at that level we're gonna get the great opportunity. We rather wait for our price to reach this level before we place our buys. Remember, this is our daily time frame, and today is Tuesday. Anything can happen during the week. Shouldn't forget that. Let's go to the lower time frame. Okay, before we go to the lower time frame, let's place this horizontal lines. These horizontal lines, I use them to mark that your key points, key turning points, where the level, where the price is making or presenting those weeks, where the price is making very important levels. You can see there's a resistance there, and this one I'll place just underneath and place this one as a resistance. Ladies and gentlemen, you shouldn't forget that the prices, our instruments always respects the the levels. As you can see, this week here, there's a rejection candlestick, there's a long wick here, and right where if I place this horizontal line, you can see that the price respected the previous support. It was a support previously, so you can see that our price also rejection there, bullish rejection. Actually it's bearish rejection, but in bullish color. You can see that it closed just above the level right there. I hope this makes sense. I hope it does make sense to you guys, because one thing that we should remember is that the price will always respect the level, even from here. Oh, my pen doesn't make that straight line. Anyway, you can see that the price has been respecting the levels, so we are looking forward for the same thing to happen in future, the price to push towards this level and respect the diagonal support zone and push towards the upside and still give us the signals that it's respecting the levels. I hope that makes sense. Let me place it here. Yeah, so we can push to the lower time frame. Let's go to 2 hourly. Why taking so long? Okay, don't know why it takes so long, but and on 2 hour time frame, let's place it on this week here. Also this level, you can see we had the resistance there. So these are the very important lines. They make a mark for the levels for us to remember the previous level. So currently, ladies and gentlemen, what is happening right here? This is what I see. Can see this is more like a bearish flag. No, man, this is more like a bearish flag. Let me see if I could use the template. Let me place the template and see what. Yeah, this might look like a bearish flag, and the price broke. Now it's about to retest the flag and push towards the downside. We still have to wait for the price to come to this level, to reach this level, before we could see our price pushing towards the upside. So this is a bearish trend. Don't forget that our price gold is bearish. I hope this is very visible to you guys. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Let's check out the 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, it seems like most of the lines are placed. we can see that it correlates with the 2-hour time frame there. Excuse me. Let's go to 30 minutes time frame. You can see that on 30 minutes time frame, the area that I marked as our flag pattern, it shows that it's consolidation around this area or levels. We can say our price is about to retest and we will push towards the downside. Let me see. My chart is gonna be messy. This is what it's. If I think I can trade this, it's not about having a messy chart, but it's about understanding your mess. If you make your mess, you better understand why the chart is moving or why you placed this. I hope you will be able to see your mess if you place things like, I like to use the line chart for the sake of me being able to notice the turning points or the key points, because with the line chart it's easier to recognize your turn points. Let me use this as a resident zone. So one thing that I foresee now, our price is presenting us with this type of signal. Now it's saying it's retesting. This is what I foresee, and push towards the downside since we broke out of this consolidation. In a bigger time frame, it's a bearish flag. And now another thing is this resistance zone that I see. If our price doesn't respect the setup or continue with the selling, we could see our price breaking this diagonal resistance and push towards the upside, which means it will be a continuation of the consolidation that we see right here. But one thing that I see is that our price is giving us, it seems like our price was giving or was presenting what do you call, declining triangle, descending triangle. So if the descending triangle is broken right now, you can see this, it's broken and now it's retesting. It's about to push towards the downside. I hope this makes sense to you guys. I hope it does make sense. If it doesn't respect or the level right here where it broke, it can broke back in and break this diagonal resistance zone, retest and push towards the upside. I hope it does make sense to you guys. Anyway, let's move to another instrument and be able to see what could happen later on. Let's go to NAS100. Bigger time frame first. Let's go to daily time frame. Reset. So in a bigger time frame, we had so many directions or to think about. Our price was bearish previously, was bullish previously, as we can tell that the price managed to break out of As we can tell that the price managed to break out of this channel, this bullish channel we had previously. I hope it makes sense to you guys. Can you see what I see? The price broke, especially during the beginning of the year. The price presented this to us, this bearish trend that we see right here, and broke back in. Now we are still struggling to push or to go bullish. Let's go closer to the price and be able to tell. This level was respected. The price presented this level to us as a support previously and broke out of it, but still, let me clear this so that it could be clean, could be visible. This area was presented to us as our support. It was working as our not support, demand area, yes, and a support, and the price broke out of it. Remember, this is daily. The price broke out of our previous support, broke back in, broke again, and now it's around the level. We just have to wait and see if it will continue or it will push towards the upside. But one thing that I can tell you is that in a lower time frame, we were having something like the price was presenting this to us. No, man, is this making all right? This was presenting double bottom for us. In you will see it. We're gonna move with the what you call with the time frames from the bigger one to the lower one. Let's go to the line chart so that you can be able to witness this channel, bearish channel forming right there. This is what the price presented to us. So previously we also had what you call double top. So now this was double bottom. The price respected the level and pushed towards the upside. So it seems like here the price has found a new, what you call a new support, but it was a support all along previously. I hope you can be able to see that even previously this was a support. Let's place this support there in green, please. It was our support, and it's still active. The price is still respecting the level. Let's go back to Japanese candlesticks. Come on, candlesticks. You can see that the price is still respecting the level as it's about to push towards the upside. And we still, let me place the lines. We still have the resistance right at the top there, around these areas. The price presented the resistance, and yeah, I hope that's it. Let's go lower. Let's go to the lower time frame. 4 hourly, please. There we go. Every time when you move to the lower time frame, when you change your time frames, you'll have to fix your trend lines, because when you are in a bigger time frame, it moves with, it shows you something different. Like, that's how they are, these charts. So you can see we are having a double bottom here, and the price is about to respect the level. And this previous demand area, the previous support zone we had, the price is at the level. I think it will respect the level and push towards the upside. This is what we could have in few coming days. I hope it does make sense. I hope it makes sense to you guys. This is our NASDAQ 100, and we are on 4-hourly time frame. This is our 4-hour time frame. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget that our social media handles are on the description down below. Please do follow us and communicate with us so that we can have a great communication. I like what I see with this, man. If this double bottom respected, the price is obviously gonna push towards the upside. The bearish trend is about to form. We just have to wait to see if our price will break this level. If our price breaks this level, then we would be having a break of structure. This would be our break of structure. So for now, we just have to witness if the price will break this level before we can open those swing trading. Yeah, now we can just focus on scalping, but shouldn't forget that we will have to wait for break of structure. Let's go to the lower time frame and see how volatile our price is at the moment. It's prior the opening session. I don't think the price will be volatile. I don't think it will be volatile. For now, we just doing the analysis before the opening session. This is our 5-minute time frame. Let me place the horizontal lines on key points there, so that when we look at our 5-minute time frame, we can always remember that the price respected these levels. And another thing, we can still check the news if there's any news happening for the day. I believe on Friday we will be having an NFP. Since is the first Friday of the month, NFP, it's a fundamental news and very volatile news. If you are not experienced to trade the volatile news like NFP, ladies and gentlemen, do not push yourself, because you might lose. You might lose more than what you can take in, because Okay, let's go to investing.com and witness something. This is what I would like us to witness on Tuesday the 3rd of May. There's more holidays, like same as yesterday. Your China is having Labor Day, Japan is having Constitution Day, Singapore Eid okay. India is having the same holiday also. How do you spell that? Eid al-Fitr. Eid al-Fitr. Eid al-Fitr. Okay, I guess maybe it's an Indian language. Yes, I'm always looking for highly volatile news. I don't wanna do moderated news. So I'm always looking out for highly volatile news. I hope that makes sense to you guys. You can see our price is moving very slowly, very slowly. It's not that volatile. Nasdaq before prior the opening session, but it's London opening session during this time. We are still on. We can check our German 40 how things are going with them. Let's go to the bigger time frame. It's been a while since I've traded or made analysis of German 40. It's been a while. Let's see if there's any. Kinda like sleepy now. Okay. Anyway. I'm good. German 40. Let me use this here. You can see our German 40 seems bearish also. As you can see here on daily time frame, and it's still having that overall bearish trend as I have placed trend line there. Let me clone it and place. This is our resistance level, diagonal resistance. I like to use double line also for me to remember that this is a zone, or the price can reach, or yes, this zone. When it crosses the dotted line, it's still in the zone. When it breaks the solid line, that's when we saying the price is breaking through. So this one is, you can see that we are pushing towards the downside, but the price previously respected this area here, this level around here. As you can see, we had our previous support. Now we have a resistance, and the price is about to respect the level. The price is about to respect the level, as you can see by that candle stick right there. This is a rejection candlestick. It signifies that our price could push towards the downside that we can expect. So this is German 40, ladies and gentlemen. This is our German 40. German 40. I hope you guys are doing well today. I hope you guys are having a nice day before the New York opening sessions. Currently we are on London session that's open in, is it an hour ago? Yeah, 90 minutes ago, I believe. Please don't forget to subscribe, those who haven't subscribed to the channel, and like the video so that we can be able to reach some people who we haven't reached. And please don't forget the notification bell next to the subscribe button for you to be notified every time I upload the video. I really appreciate, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so grateful for those who subscribed to the channel and those who keep on liking the videos. It's for the sake of this channel to reach other people, man. We do live streams on weekly days and do analyze the charts while we are doing live. I'm placing the horizontal lines for me to remember. I always emphasize this. I'm placing these horizontal lines so that I could be able to notice where the price made the last important key points, where the price you will find it's respecting the levels. So keeping these horizontal lines is the markings. The price always respects the level. As you can see right here, I just placed the key point here, but already I just placed the horizontal line, but already there was a horizontal line. The price respected the level, and you can see these candlesticks. This candlestick right here opened just on that area right there and pushed towards the downside. Remember, with the bullish candlestick, the opening is from this area. Let's say it's just down there. That's where the bullish is open and pushed towards the upside, and this is where it closed. And with the bearish candlestick, that's where it opens and pushes towards downside, and it closes at that spot right there. This is our daily time frame. Let's go to the lower time frame so that you can be able to notice significant key points. Reset. The price is respecting this level. It's respecting this level. As I was saying, the price is giving us or presenting some rejection candlesticks there to prove that it's about to push towards the downside. It's gonna respect the level right there. I hope that makes sense. The German 40. Okay, I was thinking of using your your indicators. Let me place this line. There was a time when I was thinking of using indicators, but this is a naked forex. Remember, we're using trend lines. We shouldn't just say, it's not like we are saying we're not using other ways. It's not like we're not using other options of trading, but we can still use the indicators. Speaking of the indicators, I was using the exponential trend line, and this is your 21 moving average. Oh, this is 9. Let me use 21. I like to use 21, by the way. I prefer using the 21. With the 21, you can see that the price is it the 21? Yeah, exponential. When the price is below, as you can see, it was below here, we look for sales, and when the price push above the 21, as you can see right here, we look for buys or buying opportunity. I hope that makes sense. My other screen here just went off. Let me make it a bigger line like this. Yeah. This is our German 40, man. You can see it's above, the price is above the 21. But one thing that I'm looking for now is to see our price breaking this diagonal zone and push towards the downside. Push towards the downside. What am I doing? So one thing that we can look out for, you can see the price gave us a lower high, excuse me, and pushed towards the downside where it was respecting the level, but it broke. This is our lower low and pushed towards the upside. This is not our lower high, this is our lower low. This is not our lower high because the price managed to break and collect your liquidity around here. As you can see, it pushed towards the downside, so we cannot say excuse me, we cannot say this is our lower low. We just have to wait and see if the price will continue with the bearish the bearish trend. See if it breaks this lower high, push towards the, like, continue with that type of structure. But at the moment, there's something that I want you guys to be aware of, as I like the patterns. This could be our left shoulder, this could be our head, and our right shoulder right here. And this is our inverted head and shoulder pattern. We could see our price pushing towards the upside if it breaks this neck area. We could see our price pushing towards the upside if it breaks this neck area right there. Could see this is what we could have, and I hope it makes sense. I hope that makes sense. Let's check other what do you call other instruments. Let's look at our US30. Bigger time frame, please. Daily time frame. No, let's reset the chart. Yesterday, as I was doing my analysis, I've noticed that, okay, analysis and trading, I realized that this level was highly respected, the demand area. Our price was around this level and it pushed towards the upside. As you can see now, we just have to wait and see how far it will go with that momentum. So on the daily time frame, we can see that our price was not able to break out of this level, but it's respecting this level. We just have to wait and see if it's gonna push towards the upside. I wanted to zoom in and be able to check or trace. Look at this rejection candlestick, man. Look at the long wick there. The price is opening the new candlestick is open and it's about to be bullish. As we could see, our price pushing towards our 21 SMA, or maybe could go this way, but we just have to wait and see if the price push towards our 21 SMA. We shouldn't rush things and place the buys. We just have to go and check the lower time frames. Let's check with the 4-hourly time frame. We could see our price making some beautiful moves. You can see this area is respected now. Okay, this is where we can say this is a very important level. If the price push towards the downside, it's gonna present double bottom. We're gonna have a double bottom area. The price will come and retest and push towards the upside. This area it seems like it's respected, highly respected. We will have to wait and see if the price breaks out of it. We will just have to wait and see if our price breaks out of that area. Look at this. There's another trend that I see. There's another trend. The price seems to respect this level. Let me place this trend line so that you can be able to understand what I'm talking about. Seems like the price is respecting this level, highly respecting this level. Okay, what we can wait and see, what we can look out for is the price respecting this level right here. Maybe we can see our price push towards this diagonal resistance that we see right here. If the price respects the level and make a key point or turning point right here, we could have our price push towards this diagonal support zone and it will break to reach the downside or towards the downside. I hope that makes sense to you guys. This is what I'm talking about. If the price respects the level, could witness something like this and break through before it reaches this demand area. This is our US30. One thing that we have to be aware of again is that if the price break this level, we could wait for the breakout and trade that breakout. As it will retest, then we place our buys, and this level is very significant. Seems like we are having a resistance right there. We could see our price pushing towards the downside. I mean, if it breaks after the breakout, we have to expect the retest, and we can say now we are going bullish. Those are my predictions, but anything can happen. Every price respects the the levels. Every price respects the levels, man. You just have to know that. We have to know that. Look at this. If I extend this horizontal line, you can see that the candlesticks closed above this level, and in future the candlestick opened or started or created the wick and pushed towards the downside at this level, respected this level. I hope that makes sense. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload. Consider to like the video if you find it informative for you. I really thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I appreciate those who are watching. And there are some books that I'm currently reading. Please let's advise each other on the comments down below there. What kind of books are you reading, guys? Advise us, let us know what kind of books are you reading. I'm reading The Naked Forex. Yes. Every time when I talk about this book, there are some people who will be like, what? Yes, I'm reading The Naked Forex. Naked Forex. Naked Forex. This is our US30, man. We are on 4-hourly time frame. Let's wait and see where is our price going. Speaking about books, Naked Forex is written by Walter Peters and Alex Necritin. This is the type of book I'm talking about. Naked Forex. And I'm also reading The Art of, what is it? The Art and Science of Technical excuse me. The Art and Science of Technical Analysis. The Art and Science of Technical Analysis. Written by Adam Grimes. This is the book that I'm talking about. You better read, man. Look out for the breakouts, trade. This is what we read, man. This is what we read. The things that we are going through daily. Tight range near extreme of larger range. Another pattern conceptually similar to the previous one is a tight range near the edge of range. See what I'm talking about when I say let's read, so that we are up to date daily, so that we get to be up to date daily, man. It will be nice to trade knowing this type. It is nice to trade knowing this type of structures that the price present to us on the live trade, but when you read them on the book you get to understand better. It's nice when you read the books and you see these patterns, and when you see them live, when you trade live, it's nice to understand them better because you've been reading the books. It's not like something new to your eyes. Because you're busy reading the books, you will get to understand it better. So ladies and gentlemen, we can see there's a consolidation forming there on our US30. This is a very bullish candlestick. It might be the sign of the break of structure. As you can see, we had formation of bearish trend, and this is an engulfing bullish candlestick. Let me check something. This could be our reversal sign. Okay, no news. Let's do this. Engulfing 3. Okay, let me push the mouse a little bit higher so that I want us to witness. It's an engulfing candlestick, but I'm looking for the meaning of these 3 candlesticks that are engulfed by this one bullish candlestick. Here it's just telling me, so I want to see. At the moment it's just saying engulfing candlestick. I'm looking for that name. Okay, let me go to Investopedia. Engulfs. So since we are on London opening session, we can still check how is GBP doing. GBP versus GU. Excuse me, I don't find the meaning of that, man. I'm looking for the meaning of those candlesticks, but let's go to daily time frame and be able to. Previously we were having a bearish channel that is that is visible right there. It was bearish like that, and the price broke out of it. As you can see, it broke towards the downside. One thing that we should be looking out for is the price respecting this, come on, this level right here. This is our daily demand. It's our daily demand, and you can see this level was respected as previous support, and now it's previous resistance. The price pushed towards the downside as it broke out of this diagonal resistance, diagonal support zone, excuse me. What we could wait or look out for is to see the retest before we push towards the downside. Let me see if the price will respect this area for us to be certain that this level is respected. As we could see, this area, it seems important. So one thing that we should be look out for, okay, another level here. So we could see, or we just have to look out for the price to respect this area and push towards the upside for retesting, or if it doesn't break this diagonal resistance, diagonal support zone, to push towards the downside. If it does respect this, it will be this area, it will be this level. This previous diagonal support will be turned into a diagonal resistance. Then we will see our price push towards the downside, retest this horizontal support. Let's push to the lower time frame and be able to see 2-hour time frame. Let's see what could happen. Let me clean this. Our price seems like it was having a very strong bearish. Seems like it's about to respect the area. As you can see, the price is losing momentum, and it's losing momentum. It was bearish. Now you can see it's giving us this type of structure where it shows that it's about to respect the level. This is our lower low at the moment, and the price is about to seal this deal, respect this level, and is not able to break this previous lower low. I hope it makes sense. If we use the trend line, we can witness that our price was or broke out of this. Let me use it like from here. No man, let me use it from here. But still, this is our very important point. So the price broke out of this area, diagonal resistance that we were having. If you are scalping, you will look at this type of structure. It was very bearish, and you can see after breaking out of it, the price pushed towards the upside, is retesting this level. We could see our price pushing towards the upside. or if it doesn't respect this level, you might see it pushing towards. At the moment the price is choppy, it's not that volatile. As I can see it now, it's not that volatile. So this is our GBP USD. You will find that when the price is bearish like this, your DXY is bullish. Let's go to DXY. This is what I was talking about. Look how bullish it is. Look how bullish is our DXY US index. Very bullish. It seems like it's about to break this, or it's broken out of this support zone. Just have to wait and see. Just have to wait and see. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Consider to share the video to your friends so that they could also be able to have some information that you are having. I hope you like the content. Please, ladies and gentlemen, the description of our social media, the link of our social media is just under the description right there. Please look out for the link on our description, the link of Instagram handle, the link of our Facebook page on the description down below. Please, ladies and gentlemen, do us a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload. I really like to take this time and say thank you for watching this live stream. Please do comment if you have any suggestion. Let's meet once again around the opening session of the New York opening session. That's when I will be back with another live stream. I really thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Have a lovely day and enjoy your trading. Wish you all the best. Goodbye. I really wish you all the best and goodbye.